Need to renew your Jamaican passport while living abroad? Let me show you how in a few simple steps. 1. Gather all required documents, such as passport renewal form. This is available online or from your nearest Jamaican embassy, high commission or consulate. Your old passport, 2 recent passport size photographs, proof of name change if applicable, valid ID if your passport is damaged or you are changing your personal details. Now, this is important. Double check everything. Next, make your payment. Follow the instructions for either cash card or money order. Visit the Jamaican consulate or embassy, or you can submit your application by mail if possible. Now that's it. Go and finish your shopping. Your new passport will be ready in about 4 to 6 weeks. Then, collect your passport in person or have it delivered. Finally, relax and enjoy your flight. Beautiful sunshine and Jamaican vibes awaits.